muffler from Flashark. Well, in today's video, we're gonna swap out the 350Z's old muffler. The reason I was swapping it out is because but yeah, luckily your boy was hooked up from Flashark with this new muffler system. Yeah. Jeez, clean as fucking Holly. But yeah, let's go ahead and I ain't gonna lie, it kind of looks similar, but this one's a little smaller than this one. Plus, the welds on this shit ain't as clapped as the one over here. So, yeah. Alright, time to put the new one on. No, that's what we like. Alright, so on this one I didn't notice it comes with the silencer, but I think I'm gonna leave it running for a little bit like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off. But meanwhile, let's bring it down.